Hi everyone! Today I will share with you my special salad creation. It's grape salad with roast pork and morning glory. Grape is a really great fruit that can help you strengthen the immune system of the body. Both grape and water spinach are rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins. So this fresh salad will help you replenish iron and support the process of blood generation. Let's begin! Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Ingredients you will need: grapes of all kinds like green, red, and black, about 100 grams of morning glory, which I have split into curly strings, some fresh mint, and 500 grams of pork, salt, pepper, sugar, fine pie powder, and vinegar. To make the roast pork, use a knife to cut about 3 to 4 lines vertically along the piece of the meat. In a bowl, combine half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of fine pie powder, and then some pepper and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and then rub this mixture all over the piece of pork, except for the skin. Then turn the meat over with the skin facing upwards. Wipe it dry. Then leave it in a windy place to marinate for about 3 hours. Next, put the piece of pork in a baking tray with the skin facing down and then bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then turn it over, now the skin facing up. In a small bowl, mix 2 teaspoons salt with half a teaspoon of vinegar. And then wipe off the skin and apply the vinegar and salt mixture all over the skin and then bake for another 20 minutes. The salt will crystallize into a thin piece on the skin. Discard the salt layer and wipe the skin dry, and then put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes until the pork skin turns crispy. Let's cool and then chop into pieces. Listen to the sound. Cut the grapes in half. To make the salad dressing, in a bowl mix a tablespoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of lime juice, and then add minced garlic and chili and stir well to dissolve the sugar. Wash the split morning glory through salt water and then drain. In a plate, place the roast pork, different kinds of grapes, some mint, and a few slices of red chilies for a beautiful color. Drizzle the salad dressing over and finally sprinkle with some more roasted peanuts. Wow, what a refreshing, nutritious salad! The sweet and sour taste of the grapes will balance the richness of the roasted pork. Top that off with that crispy morning glory. Wow, the salad looks like a painting, ready for you to enjoy. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click likes and subscribe. I will see you then next time. Bye!